What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, hit the subscribe button. I know y'all like, what's going on? What type of video is this? As y'all read the title, it is a DIY video, something different content. It's just something I really wanted to do. Hey, if y'all want to watch it, I can understand, you know. But I know y'all gonna watch it because y'all roll with us 100 deep, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be chopping up these pants that I purchased from Walmart. Pretty much in the video is really self-explanatory. I don't need to be talking through it the whole time, but I will be coming in and out of the video to let y'all know what's going on, what I didn't mean to do, what I should have did and what I shouldn't have did, you know what I'm saying? But I'm not going to chop this video up, okay? I'm gonna just let it roll through or whatever. But I'm only gonna be doing one pants leg on camera, and then I'll do the other one offline. Girl, I cannot talk today. What is going on? What's going on? I'm gonna be doing one off camera, and I'll come back and show you guys the finished look. However, the bottom did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out because I should have put extra fabric at the bottom, but I actually like the bottom, which you guys will see at the ending. As y'all can see, I did put the pants in that like ironing, like as if I'm about to iron my pants, you know, just get that good old crease to that good old fold in the front. So you want to do your pants like that. I mean, I just learned it from watching some of these videos on here, and I found out that was so much easier because your lines are so much straighter. Yeah, so watch the video. Okay, so I'm done with the front of that pants leg, and I extremely am crazy about the way it turned out. It's so pretty and so perfect. So on the back here, I did a square instead of a rectangular. Did I say that right? Rectangular. As y'all can see, I should have went down further, so that's where I messed up at. Yeah, it was a square instead of a rectangle. So you want to take it down or up, you know. But I didn't want any of my bum hanging out, so you know, I didn't have the jeans on and I couldn't tell. I should have put them on first and then marked it, so that'll be a good tip, you know. And I'm gonna make some little ruffles at the back as well, or should I say some little cuts at the back so it can turn ruffle back there, because honey, these jeans is popping, okay? So yeah. Okay, so this step, what I'm gonna do right now, is optional, y'all. Just give me time. I could not find my tweezers. I had them on the bed. I don't know what happened to them. So, like I said, this step is optional. I'm gonna be tweezing some of the blue thread out just so that I can have some of that white thread left in there. As y'all see, some of it is sticking up already. What did I do with the tweezers? Like, what's going on? Okay, there we go, honey. I'm gonna ask you. Okay, so I'm just plucking this out. You don't have to do this. The washing machine is gonna do its job. I was just being extra and, you know, wanted to try something. And no, this is not my first time doing jeans. I've been cutting up jeans forever. I somehow still like to try new things when I'm cutting up my jeans, or I still make mistakes. So it's alright. Once you put it in the washer, everything gonna turn out, and it's gonna look like you did it on purpose. You know, if you make a mistake. So as y'all can see, I'm tweezing the blue thread out, and I'm just leaving that white because that white is gonna ruffle up so pretty. And I'm just cutting off the little excess and blue stuff. You know, normally I wouldn't cut off the strings because I like it messy. So yeah, keep watching. So right here, I'm showing y'all I'm about to put a little slit right here because at first I was gonna put the little bell bottom piece at the bottom. Well, shall I say a half a bell bottom? But I shouldn't have cut this. I mean, it didn't make a difference or whatever because I'm gonna end up putting on the piece of fabric that I cut from the back right there, which it folded up a little bit, but I like it how it ended up looking. Once again, I'm showing y'all it. And I'm also going to be cutting little nips and stuff out of the bottom of the jeans and also around the belt loops and around the rim of the jeans just to give it that little edgy look. So if you guys are wondering what I was doing, that is what I am doing. I'm sorry I wasn't getting it in the camera. I thought it was looking, the camera was focused on me or whatever, but you know, what should I say, I was in the camera, but I really wasn't. So that's what I'm doing. I'm going to go at the top and do some of that too. And I'm just going in and tweezing these slits, being extra. Like I said, you do not have to do this step. You can skip this step all day long. You can skip this step because the washing machine is going to do what it do and make it pop, you know what I'm saying? But I was just being extra, you know. So here I'm just opening my scissors and I'm just making some quick, easy, simple cuts. They are a bit more harsh than the ones that I cut on the pants leg. Be careful when you're doing this, y'all, because those scissors be so sharp. So I'm just trying to put them on the edge of the pants. You know, I don't want them too close to, you know what I'm saying. Make sure you take out your little pockets while you're doing this, or you're going to put a hole in your pockets and you're going to forget and put something in it and it's going to fall out. You're going to be like, where's my stuff at? So I'm just tweezing some stuff out. Once again, I'm being extra, girl. I'm just taking up time. So, you know, and I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, but it's going to be a little bit different. You know, I didn't want it to be the exact same thing on this side. And then at the back, you guys, I'm just showing y'all. At the back on the other pants pocket, once again, I'm being extra. I didn't even know I did all this, y'all. Oh my goodness, somebody help me. Okay, so on the other pants leg, y'all, you know what? I just told y'all I did not record that part, but you will see at the end of the video, everything turned out so good, honey. I just made a little difference on the other side, you know, So I'm going to take that piece that I cut from the back pants leg, and I am going to use some E6000 glue, which is not going to show in this video because I had to end up using E6000 glue, but I couldn't find it at the time, so I used this Gorilla Spray adhesive stuff stuff that my husband had laying around. I don't know, but I know it worked, but it wasn't, it's not my first option I would have picked if I would have had more glue laying around the house. But I did go in off camera, and I added the E6000 glue. So yeah, because this stuff had turned a little white. I don't even know if it's gonna show on here, but I was not feeling it. I did not like it. But oh girl, look at that finished look, baby. Okay, the bottom ain't showing, but whatever. Y'all check me out, baby. If you like this, hit that thumbs up, like it, subscribe, turn on post notification, do all that, y'all.